I don't know why I got this too, but sure, I'm just gonna... Don't need that, it's all good. What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome finally to an unboxing video. And I say finally for a very particular reason, and that is because I have been waiting far too long for this package. Now, the item that's inside did come out a while ago. Now, the item in question did come out a little while ago, and you'll probably see from the unboxing that it is an Xbox Series X. And it's taken me way too goddamn long to get this thing. Ooh, I don't know why I got this too, but sure, I'm just gonna... Don't need that, it's all good. But my lord, it's been a long time coming, but look at this. Genuinely, I'm in love already. Now let's get this open and get this out of here. So, as everyone knows, the Xboxes have been annoyingly hard to get. And if you weren't one of the lucky ones that got them on the launch day, which I sadly was not, despite trying to beat EB Games and get on their site and purchase it, which failed like 16 times, and about several other sites. But anywho, if you weren't one of the lucky ones that managed to get through that and actually get the Xbox, you didn't receive it on launch day. So sadly, it took a while for it to get here for me, but finally I have it in my possession. I have the Xbox Series X 1 terabyte, and I'm so keen to rip this thing open. So I'm gonna get started. It's got nice little pull tabs on the side actually, just to open stuff. So, annoyingly, I have seen one of these been opened because for all of those of you who know and watch our streams, Matt actually managed to get his on launch day via pure luck and arse, and I was a bit depressed, but I was with him on launch day as he got his. So, I have seen one of these been opened so far before. We've got two more at the bottom that we're going to rip open, and then it should reveal the beast. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love this. So here it is, the Series X. If I can open it. It's so amazing. Even though it is in a bit of a, well, it's in a little package. So this is the actual Series X here that you get in the box. Oh, it ain't light, I'll tell you that for free. It's not the lightest thing in the world. Well, let's quickly, before we dig into this a little bit more, let's put that to the side. Let's quickly have a look what's in the box. So obviously we got a nice padded foam, which is always good. And literally, oh no, okay, more stuff is now. I was gonna say I'm like confused for a second. So we got a little startup guide, which if you haven't actually gone through the startup guide for an Xbox Series X or seen someone do it, it's actually really cool. I really enjoy it because it uses your mobile phone and I think that's cool. But furthermore, in the box, we've got this little opening here that has the absolutely awesome HDMI cord, which I'm not gonna lie, is actually really nice. It's a really nice HDMI cord. They've always come out with really nice HDMI cords. Got the power cable, which is, I mean, usual. Yes, it's a power cable. Got your little manual, product and regulatory guide. I'm never gonna read that. And then the controller. Now this hasn't had a massive update, but has had some small quality of life improvements that I've already had for a little while because I've had the Series, the Elite controller. Oh, jeez, batteries. But still, I'm not gonna lie, as much as I love my Elite controller, this new controller, all its small improvements, I actually really like it. I think the nice little grip on the buttons and on the back here, and then just the general feel of the controller, or of any new controller, just feels really nice. It's really nice. I'll pop the batteries in it really quick. So we got the batteries. As always, Microsoft with their Duracell batteries. Oh no, these aren't Duracell batteries. Oh no, they are Duracell. They're OEM. They're OEM batteries. So they don't actually have like the Duracell logo or anything on it. Normally they do. That's fine. Pop them in real quick. The wrong way apparently. Oops. Bang. Ah, I love it. It's also got the new button on it. So that's that little kind of share button thing on my doodad. I actually haven't used it yet. I'm not 100% sure if I'll use it. But it's a cool little feature, I guess. It's kind of there, so it's kind of cool. But let's get rid of all this. Let's push all this to the side for the moment. Because the piece de resistance is the Xbox Series X itself, which is this lovely thing right here. So it's really cool. You get your whole power your dreams thing on the front here, which I always love. Xbox and Microsoft, always about self-improvement and going ahead, which is always epic. Don't need that though. Let's get into it. Let's get into the pretties.
Did you get it the right way?
I did, bang on the right way.
Last time we got it the wrong way.
I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm not Matt, I know how to open things properly. I'm a professional. Oh, here it is in all its glory. Let's get it properly out of this. Bang right here. Oh, come on. Go away. here is the Series X. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like it. I know people get iffy on the boxy design, but man, it's cool. It really is cool. And I do love the subtle green hit at the top. I think that's really epic if you can see that on the camera. That kind of green in a glow inside the little holes. I think that looks really cool if you can try and see it. Still, it looks cool. It looks super cool. And then also the high-powered fan. I can see the high-powered fan really well. That thing can levitate ping pong balls, which I actually kind of want to try out at some point. But then furthermore, let's go into the back. I'll show you guys the back of the actual unit here. So this is the back of the unit. It's got all the ports that you need, really. There's only one big thing that's missing that really depresses me, but I'll talk a bit more about that in a sec. You got your HDMI out, you got your power cord, no HDMI in anymore, so they've kind of gone away with the whole being your media TV thing. The storage expansion slot, which I think is freaking cool. The storage expansion slot is really sweet. The only issue I have with it is the storage add-ons are so expensive. It is ridiculous. They're like 360 bucks Australian for an extra 1 terabyte. If maybe that was 2 terabyte, it might be worth it, but 1 terabyte, I don't know. Got your Ethernet port as well, and then 2 USBs. The big thing that it's missing on here, which I understand why it's not here, but at the same time kind of makes me upset, is there's no optical audio. Now that doesn't affect a lot of people, but for people like me who have Astros, it kind of bums me out because I love having my optical audio and having audio through that. I know HDMI is just as good, if not better nowadays, but the idea of Toslink or optical audio, I just prefer, but you know, that's a me thing. That's not exactly a be all and end all. And then obviously you can orientate the actual unit standing up like this or laying down, so it can also lay down as well. So depending on what you need and where you need to fit it, it's got you covered. But that is essentially going to be the unboxing for the Xbox Series X. I can't wait to play it. I'm absolutely in love with it already, and although it may sound stupid, I've essentially made 2 of these, but one's more expensive. I know it seems confusing, but I've got this here which is built on all AMD's architecture for the actual gaming and the performance and stuff like that. And I've also just recently acquired some new upgrades for my PC. That'll be more on that later, but that's just a little teaser, just a little hint of what's to come on the channel as well. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe and hit like on the video. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers and we want to get there as quick as we can. If you'd like a more in-depth review on the actual Series X, let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to do an actual full-on review of the unit because I will be putting it through its paces. So if you're interested in that, let me know and I'll be able to make a video on it for you. But otherwise guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.